What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking pork to the next level. We're smoking up a juicy, tender pulled pork using Burton W sauce as our binder. Meet Church Honey Hog for that sweet, savory rub, and fueling the fire with Jealous Devil lump coal. Let's get rolling.
If you're a BBQ lover, then you need to taste the true flavors of East Texas. Welcome to the East Texan Grillmaster channel, where every recipe tells a story and every bite is a taste of tradition. Here it's not just about meat, it's about community, history, and that sweet, tangy sauce that makes East Texas BBQ so special. From hickory smoked ribs that fall off the bone to succulent, saucy pulled pork sandwiches, we celebrate the flavors that put the Piney Woods on the map. Plus, we'll sprinkle in some southern comfort classics like fried catfish and chicken fried steak. So grab a plate, pull up a chair, and join me on this delicious journey through the heart of East Texas. Hit subscribe, and let's get grilling.
First up, I've got this beautiful pork butt. We're going to trim off any thick, hard fat that won't render down. Instead of yellow mustard, today I'm using Burton W sauce as our binder. It adds a deep, bold flavor that really makes pork butt pop. Brush W sauce all over the pork butt.
Savage hunger, unleash the beast. Sticky hands, sticky life. Everybody cuts like a knife.
Next, we're laying down a generous coat of Meat Church Honey Hog. This rub brings a perfect balance between sweet and savory that works magic on pulled pork.
Tear it apart, shred the feast. Savage hunger, unleash the beast. Sticky hands, sticky life. Every bite cuts like a knife. Oh! Smoke to the bone, low and slow. Master fuel thunder, let it glow. Bear and burden, bring the soul. Pork dreams out of control. Dreams out of control. sky. Smoke to the bone, low and slow. Master built thunder, let it glow. Bear and burden, bring the soul. Pork dreams out of control. Wood smoke rising, twisting high. Flavor storms under the sky. Smoke to the bone, low and slow. Master built thunder, let it glow. Bear and burden, bring the soul. Pork dreams out of control. Tear it apart, shred the feast. Savage hunger, unleash the beast. Sticky hand, sticky life. Everybody cuts like a knife.
For fuel, I'm rolling with Jealous Devil lump coal. It burns hot, clean, and gives off that smooth smoke you want for long cooks. I'll also toss in a few chunks of hickory for that classic barbecue flavor.
Tear it apart, shred the feast. Savage hunger, unleash the beast. Sticky hands, sticky life. Every bite cuts like a knife. Oh! Smoke to the bone, low and slow. Master built thunder, let it glow. Bear and burden, bring the soul. Pork dreams out of control. Dreams out of control. Fire roaring, hot steel beast awake. Charcoal flames dance, decisions to make. Rub down love, sweet and bold, honey. Hog secrets stored.
We're running the smoker at 250 degrees today. Pork butt loves that low, slow treatment.
Smoke to the bone, low and slow. Master built thunder, let it glow. Bear and burden, bring the soul. Pulled pork dreams out of control. Time drips down like molasses thick. Hourglass turning with every click. Your sauce tang bite in the air. Patience burns, but I don't care. Wood smoke rising, twisting high. Flavor storms under the
We're going to let it roll until we hit about a 165 internal tilt. That's usually the stall, and it's a good time to wrap.
built thunder, let it glow. Bear and burden, bring the soul. Pork dreams out of control.
Look at that bark. Once we hit 165, we'll wrap it tight in butcher paper. This keeps the moisture locked in while letting the meat breathe.
Savage hunger, unleash the beast. Sticky hand, sticky life. Everybody cuts like a knife.
We're cooking until probe temperature, usually around 203 to 205 internal. When that probe slides like butter, we know we're ready. We'll let it rest in the cooler for at least an hour. Give those juices time to redistribute.
Tear it apart, shred the feast. Savage hunger, unleash the beast. bite cuts like a knife. Oh! Smoke to the bone, low and slow. Master fuel thunder, let it glow. Bear and burden, bring the soul. Pull dreams out of control, dreams out of control. Too out of control. Too out of control. Too out of control. Fire roaring, hot steel beast awake. Charcoal flames dance, decisions to make. Rub down love, sweet and bold, honey. Hog seek.
Now for the best part. Let's pull it. Look how tender that is, just falling apart.
Smoke to the bone, low and slow. Master fuel thunder, let it glow. Bear and burden, bring the soul. Pulled pork dreams out of control. Time drips down like molasses thick. Hourglass turning with every click. Your sauce tang bite in the air. Patience burns, but I don't care. Wood smoke rising, twisting high. Flavor storms under the sky. Smoke to the bone, low and slow. Master built thunder, let it glow. Bear and burden, bring the soul. Pull pork dreams out of control. Wood smoke rising, twisting high. Flavor storms under the sky. Smoke to the bone, low and slow. Master fuel thunder, let it glow. Bear and burden, bring the soul. Pull pork dreams out of control. Tear it apart, shred the feast. Savage hunger, unleash the beast. Sticky hand, sticky life. Every bite cuts like a knife.
I like mine piled high on a toasted bun drizzled with barbecue sauce. That's East Texas comfort food right there. If y'all enjoyed this cook, hit that like button, subscribe, and share with your fellow barbecue lovers. Drop a comment. Tell me what you'd like for me to smoke next. Until next time, keep that smoke rolling.